Welcome to Social Work Updates.
In today's video we are going to talk about concepts of personality. One of the interesting subjects in the study of human behavior is that which we call personality. This is because it concerns each one of us directly and intimately. It deals with what we are as an individual and what we would like to be. It relates with our association with others and at the same time protect our own selves. And it also involves character building. So, let's start with how different personality describe the nature of personality. According to three Filipino authors, Tuason, Santamaria and Shimson, personality is the dynamics organization within the individual of those psychophysical systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. According to Hilgerard, Atkinson and Atkinson, personality refers to an individual's social effectiveness. We often hear some people say, "He has a lot of personality." Personality is also concerned with individual differences or characteristics that distinguish one individual from another. Characteristic pattern of behavior imply some consistencies in behavior regardless of the situation. These patterns determine a person's adjustment to the environment. A complete description of personality would include intellectual capacities, motives, emotional states, attitudes, beliefs, moral values, likes and dislikes. Another author, Lawrence Perervin, says that in psychology, the field of personality is concerned with the total individual differences. That is, recognizing that all people are similar in some ways but differ with one another, as in some people achieve, while others do not. According to Sfera, Wright and Rice, personality has technical meaning for experts in human behavior. It also refers to the total person, the expression of what you are and what you do. It is the product of all the responses that are expressed in everyday living. Wherever you are, in the home, school, canteen, office, in the street and the like. It includes what you think or speak. In short, it is the expression of your inner self to other people. Your behavior causes others to act favorably or otherwise. This process can be reversed. N.B. Van Haller-Gilmer characterizes personality to include physique, intellectual and other abilities, interest and how others respond to that personality. According to him, personality traits vary continuously in degree. Individuals cannot be classified as being exclusively aggressive and submissive. Most people fall between these extremes, and all stages of deviation from the average can be found. Personality has a quality of uniqueness that is, no one person is quite like another. Formally then, we define personality as a whole person, his external appearance and behavior, his inner awareness of self, and his unique pattern of measurable traits which fairly permanent. After discussing nature of personality, let's talk about, can personality be determined? In everyday life, traits of personality are roughly determined by watching the person directly, by asking others about him, or by asking him as to what he would do in certain situations. And lastly, what are the purposes of measuring personality? According to Kleinmans, there are four major purposes, setting and functions of personality measurement. These measurements are objectives tests, inventories and projective tests. They are used for diagnosis, counseling, personnel selection and research. Diagnosis is done in a mental hygiene clinic, hospital. Counseling is usually done in clinic, hospital, school or counseling center. Personnel selection is usually done for job classification in industries, government, military, or some special training setting. And research uses all of the above setting. The psychologist can also use direct observation or indirect observation for personality evaluation.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more social work updates, please visit my YouTube page, hit the bell and subscribe.